Well, Leslie, Canada is set to allow cruise ships to resume operations as of November 1st. That is if they fully comply with public health requirements. That news did send shares of Carnival, Royal Caribbean, and Norwegian higher in the pre-market. However, they are still down double digits so far this month. WEDBUSH Securities' James Hardiman and TRUIST Securities' Patrick Scholes join us now to talk about the industry. Gentlemen, thanks to you both for being here. James, I'll start with you. As I pointed out, the stocks obviously have been down. Do they play off of these, I don't even want to call them setbacks, but, various things we're hearing about the Delta variant in particular, or are they more set to sort of run their course regardless?
Yeah, I think it's all of the above. These are put it mildly, volatile stocks in the current environment. The news with respect to Canada isn't a particularly large source of customers or even a destination market for the cruise industry. The bigger deal with Canada is that cruise ships coming from the U.S. would typically go through Canadian waters to get to Alaska, which is a significant market. That said, there was recently legislation that passed Congress and was signed by President Biden that allowed them to, bypass Canada effectively. But, big picture, every step in the direction of normality is good news for the cruise industry. And we saw that with the news out of Canada. Conversely, obviously, any news that suggests that the Delta variant is getting worse is seen as a negative for the cruise industry and tends to send these stocks down.
Yeah. Well, Patrick, on that question, are we back to normality, and or when can we forecast sort of what would be considered normality?
Well, the big question is, what is normality? And, I'm reminded of a musical quote that, when life looks like easy street, there's danger at your door. And, it may not be till 2023 or maybe or late, perhaps next year, that we're hopefully back to normality. So, it's definitely too early to say, things are normal right now. And there's still a tremendous amount of risk here in this investment in cruise lines. I'm always constantly reminded that, it just takes one large outbreak, and keep in mind, there's, well over 100, 200 ships out there. One large outbreak could send this industry back to where it was, a year ago. So it's, certainly not without its risks.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.